The country profiles provide in-depth analysis for selected countries with respect to their raw material use. To obtain the profile of your country of interest, choose that country's name from the drop-down menu. Analytical text and visualizations will automatically adjust. The country profile features 4 different sections: extraction, trade, consumption, and productivity. The first section describes patterns of domestic material extraction in the chosen country. The first graph shows the development of domestic extraction for the 4 main material groups over time. When hovering over the graph, you will see the respective amounts. The sunburst diagram on the left allows you to investigate the most relevant subcategories in greater depth. By clicking on a certain subcategory, more detailed insights can be retrieved. The trade section provides information on the direct and indirect physical trade of the selected country. The first visualization illustrates the physical trade balance, which is calculated as imports minus exports. The graph in the lower left-hand corner shows the country's imports and exports in their actual weight, as well as in so-called raw material equivalents. Raw material equivalents translate direct trade flows into the total amount of primary material extraction required along the whole supply chain of the traded goods. By clicking on the button Stack Bars, the bar chart can be collapsed to reveal a direct comparison of the overall values. The main visualization of the consumption section shows a world map depicting the origins of the selected country's material footprint. The sunburst diagram illustrates which sectors contribute to the country's footprint by delivering their goods to households, the government, and other categories of final demand. The last section on resource productivity provides an overview of the development of different material flow indicators and GDP. By comparing these values, productivity indicators can be derived to assess whether the selected country achieved decoupling of economic growth from raw material use. In the chart on the lower left, the selected country can be compared to other countries in terms of decoupling performance. Countries in the red area have not achieved any decoupling. Those located in the yellow area realized relative decoupling, while countries in the green area reached absolute decoupling. Now have a good time exploring the country profiles yourself.